Welcome to Medicine Hat Nissan. This is our 2019 Volkswagen Golf Comfortline that is coated in deep black pearl paint with black cloth seats. The Volkswagen Golf is equipped with the 1.4-liter engine paired with the 8-speed automatic transmission. This car is capable of producing 147 horsepower and 184 foot-pounds of torque. This Golf is front-wheel drive and has 15-inch silver aluminum wheels. Interior features include steering wheel audio controls, a rear vision camera, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, heated seats, automatic headlights, and tons more. The rear seats have tons of room for your passengers in the back, as well as fold-down cup holders and tons of cargo space. This Volkswagen has gone through our inspection process and is now ready for new owners. So come on down to Medicine Hat Nissan today and test drive our 2019 Volkswagen Golf.